Here on this chart, for my quick reference, is the gears that this machine has available. Any of these particular ones that are yellow highlighted are suitable for my gearbox, and as you can see, you can have others. And being European, and particularly German, this set of speeds that are available are defined under this standard, international standard, and each one is a geometric jump, geometric progression. So from 50 to 63 is 1.26, and from 63 to 80 is 1.26 faster speed, and so on down here. It's called a Renard series, and it has 10 equal geometrically progressive jumps per decade. So in this case, from 50 down to not 500, it's actually 400, which is 10. That's 10 jumps in speed. And then we go down here and get to 2,500, which is the fastest my machine can do. So all the other speeds that are not highlighted are not available. How it's defined inside the one of the machine parameters is 50 revs is S54, so it goes in as 54. 2,500 revs is S88, so it goes in as 88, and the 2 means it goes in jumps of 2. It misses every intermediate possible S code speed, which basically that would give me 20 jumps between 50 and 500. Over here we see some other information. This is the first nibble of those bits on the back plane of the Heidenhain, and this is the second nibble, and they're split up because when the Izumi sees this bit sequence here, this nibble, it sets an internal relay number 400, and similarly over here, this second nibble would be internally represented in the Izumi as internal relay 405. It's just for my extra information. It's not really relevant to anybody programming this.